The India AI Impact Summit 2026, scheduled to be held in New Delhi from February 16 to 20, is set to become the largest global AI summit hosted so far, reflecting the growing international momentum around responsible, inclusive, and impact-driven artificial intelligence. The summit has already attracted over 35,000 registrations, signaling unprecedented global interest. With a strong emphasis on translating vision into execution, the event will focus on real-world outcomes and practical application of AI across sectors. Participants will include governments, industry leaders, researchers, civil society organizations, and international institutions from more than 100 countries. The summit is expected to see the participants of 15 to 20 head of governments, over 50 ministers, more than 40 CEOs of leading global and Indian companies, and around 500 prominent figures from the global AI ecosystem, including innovators, researchers, and chief technology officers. Highlighting the scale of engagement, the summit will feature a startup showcase involving more than 500 AI startups and host nearly 500 sessions alongside the main program, making it one of the most comprehensive global convenings on artificial intelligence. Bureau Report News Now.